See the brand new MR2 Max?
Yep.
No, this thing is hype.
Not bad.
So tiny.
Not bad.
Oh, shit. Dude, this thing's super nice, dude.
Tiny little car. Dash isn't bad. Pretty clean.
Oh, it's even got electric windows on. That's huge, dude. So,
The clutch fucking grabs so early.
this thing is fucking bad to the bone, dude. This is so dope.
Pretty cool, right?
Yo, this thing rips, dude.
Doesn't feel too crazy, but
It feels pretty good, though.
it's a little something.
It doesn't feel slow.
Just imagine with a nice little exhaust and a couple more pounds of boost or something.
Yeah, dude.
A little blow off pedal.
Yeah, you're gonna be good with this thing. See if I can even get out of this goddamn thing.
low.
Oh, at least it's got the handles too.
Fresh MR2.
Don't get rid of those.
No.
Oh, heck yeah.
Cool.
That thing's sick, dude.
I don't know, I wonder what that, must just be the cat or something. Oh, heated up.
Why is it smoking? Or?
No, it's not smoking, but it smells hot like you were saying before.
Oh yeah. Ah, thing's fucking mint, dude. It feels good.
I thought there was more room on this side, but you can do the job without pulling the engine, you think? Or from what your guy said? Or what
I
you
wouldn't.
think? Yeah.
He says he says he can. I wouldn't.
Yeah.
I would probably. I think it might be easier. A lot of guys that are MR2 guys I've reached out and they said, dude, drop sub frame. They won't hesitate. Just like drop sub frame. It's easier. It'll just it knows it's intimidating.
Drop the
It's
sub.
gonna be way easier.
Right? Yeah, that's what I would think.
So that's kind of how they say. So yeah, the timing cover, it's kind of right where that oil pumping is going to be lower, and it's kind of hard because it's on the angle, but it would probably be about right here in the engine.
Is that like Tenderloin?
No, not a liner here. No. So
I would think if it's on a subframe, you'd be able to knock that.
so where the alternator pulley is right there, to the right of that, about 5 inches, there's going to be a secondary cover like this, underneath all this, and it's going to be aluminum.
And this is all the same as American, so there shouldn't be any issues with it.
Correct. It's the same exact thing as American. It's just the tune is slightly different. I think it's 5 horsepower hotter because of lack of emission stuff. So.
Yeah, so what, these don't have JDM engines, don't have like EGRs or EGR systems or whatever that fucking
Exactly, the stuff is less strict. Like they do have cats, and the cats on it's restrictive and stuff like that. It's mostly the power gains you'll see is from the cat side.
Yeah.
It's not as
Pretty cool.
That's the only fucking fan for this engine.
that's for the intercooler.
So where's the actual fan?
Up front.
Oh, cool.
Radiator's up front. And then it gets plumbed. So like if you're parked in an incline, like more aggressive than this, I always would say, okay, watch the temperature, make sure it's flowing, at idle. All the plumbing is brought back and forth.
You can put fans up here, I see, right? People do that?
Yep, people do that too. They take off this shroud.
Yeah.
And they do put like 2 electric spalls. A lot of guys will actually do put in the pump setup. Yeah. Wild. It's a really popular kit. But this thing's very, very factory.
Yeah, you'd see rust all at the spots.
And where would you the radiator be, like under here? There it goes, it's kicking on.
Yeah. Yep, you hear it.
Yeah, it's clean.
Yeah.
Just drying wise? Yeah, drying wise. After dry for a while, it was like, come on. Yeah.
There's 11.9 there.
Cool. I think it's like easy.
That is that. Cool.
Easy as pie, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Done.
Cool.
All right. That was
Put it in.
That was a fantastic deal.
Yep.
For the cheapest MR2.
Not bad. Feel pretty good about it. Not bad. What the other ones sell for? The white one.
19.
Oh.
Nice. There we go. Alright, your plate's
Here,
still
hand
on.
in hand. So, we want last thing. There you go, Tom.
Oh,
like that.
Or gets a bottle.
I love that.
nice.
If you want, we just do one photo op right in front of the.
Your plate's still on it too.
Okay, yeah. Let's go swap plates.
It's nice. I like this.
Huh?
Popping bottles.
Yeah. Baby.
Still a little.
Oh yeah. Rolling style.
There we go. Pulling a little photo op.
All right.
This is a stiff ass.
Yeah. Cool, man. Love it.
Tom, man. I
Sick.
appreciate it.
Yeah. I'll be in touch.
Patience.
Did it.
Sick, dude.
Did it, boys.